Right, I've just come on a bit of geese land, young man there, and we're going to give it a whirl, see what happens today. It's a nice day, lovely day, there's no wind, or hardly any, the sun's shining. So, right, we're going to crack on, catch you in a bit. Right, we're getting a 79.80 on this, and there you go, piece of aluminium, thin aluminium, aluminum. Right, not to worry, that's first dig. Right, what's Keith on we out? Keith putting his glasses on, it must be something good.
It looks like a stone to me, Paul.
It's aluminium, mate. Ah, it's aluminium. You see how it's eroding there? That's how aluminium erodes,
I wish it gives signals like that, the pellets.
Aluminium gives you a fantastic signal.
Not there. I better just check that, ain't I?
Right. So we've both got a bit of rally to start with, but we're only at gate, so you know, you get all sorts of crap right next to the road. Right, back to you in a bit.
Button me old.
That's alright, it's a pewter button, mate, 1700s.
Is it? Is that what it is?
Yep. Might have some pattern on there, not sure. Right, nice one, pal.
Well,
first blood.
First blood, Paul, is that it?
Get in. Oh, that's be alright, there's a bit of stream there, that's be able to go paddling. What's these buoys they got anyhow? Oh, they're waterproof up to here, aren't they?
Ah, that's what it was, Paul, on that, let's see that, can't I?
Yeah.
First I thought, have I missed this or what?
Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I'm getting a 53 off this. I thought it could be a button, but when I've dug it, it's a Celtic cock ring. Horse harness ring. There you go. That's alright, I'm happy with that. Back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal. It's 303 casing. Or part of. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, just breaking clod open, I've just spotted it. Not sure, somewhat round, might be a shotgun end or what, I don't know. Oh no, it's part off of an oil lamp. There you go. That's alright, there'll be a name on there. I'll be able to date that. More than likely 1900s. I don't mind that, I'm happy with that. Part off of an oil lamp. Adjuster for wick. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, getting a 72, 73 in here. Might be note, but it's not small anyhow, so I bet it's junk. Oh. Hey. It's in bottom of oil. I've got my little tripod in my pocket, in my pouch. Tough now. There'll be a piece of iron this. Yeah. I think I've just seen something. Right, you see, there's a lip or something there. Ah. Here we go. I've got to say, it's an enamel mug, and there's pot of tea, mug of tea. That's what it is. Yep, about 10-12 inch down, I don't know, something like that. Deep anyway. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I found some of this before, and I still don't know what it is. It's got strips of metal running through it, and that looks like pot or tile or something. So I don't know what it is. Anybody know? Please comment. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I've just set something around. Here we are. It's shorty, yep. I weren't sure whether it were a shorty or what, but it is. There you go. I think it's a shorty anyhow. It's well corroded. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I'm getting 8182 signal off this. Thought it was an harmonica read at first, but no idea what it is. I don't know what it is. It's a strap for tightening. That would have pulled back. You'd have moved it up and then pushed it back down to tighten it. So it's not very old anyway. Right, it's made of brass, copper alloy, something like that, whatever. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, there you go. Tiny bullet. It's not a 2.2, it's smaller. One of the farmers told me when I found some of these before, he said they're 177. I didn't know they did a 177 bullet, but there you go, you do now. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, a bullet. I think it is anyhow. It's like it's hit somewhere hard anyhow. Right, back to you in a bit. Oh, no, upside fucking down. Right, Keith with his medieval horseshoe. It was getting a mixed signal, so he dug it, did right. Very good. Right, it's an old one that, Keith, definitely. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, another CCR. That's another horse harness ring. Happy with that? It's a beauty, that. Celtic ring money. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, Keith's just found this, like a fish's tail, like he says. We don't know what it is. It's made of pewter, I think. He's got another piece on it there. So, anybody knows what it is, please comment. Or what it could be. Right. Anyway, Keith's using Teknetics T2 Classic, and I'm using Garrett AT Pro International. I'm using it in Pro Zero mode, zero discrimination, full sensitivity. So there you go. Right, back to you in a bit. Right down there, it's Sheffield steel. It's that weld mesh that they use for inside concrete. In that, this what label for it. There you go. Right, about what, a foot down. Right, back to you in a bit. Ah, look at this, what I can see. That'd be a bleeding bottle cap. chuffing golden, eh? Got me out racing that. They gave me a lovely signal. 69.70. There you go. It Bell's. Bell's Scotch whisky lid. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, quick round up. There's all my shite. Loads on it and all. Plenty on it. And here's my other stuff. 2 CCRs, horse harness fittings. Adjuster for a oil lamp. Pasture pipe stem. A squash bullet. A really tiny 177 bullet. And I don't know what they are. I think that might be a squash airgun pellet. No idea about that. And that's my fine spot day anyhow. Enjoyed it though, it's been lovely weather. Good company and all. Keith's old mate from way back, so we all have a laugh us too. Right, now on to Keith. Right, Keith finds, this is his crap. He throws his away. And we don't know what they are. And that's a piece of rolled up lead. Then it's got a tom back button. We think that's a token. A CCR come horse harness ring. And a shoulder badge. Military shoulder badge, we think. It says Lincoln on it. Lincoln, so anybody come up with any ideas on that, let us know please. Right, so that's it from Keith.
Goodbye from me.
And till next time. Till next time, please like, comment and subscribe. Good luck, happy hunting, take care of your sens, we'll see you.